I finally got my hands on the sweetest detox in the world. Yes, it's Cocoa Creme Clay Wash by Chocolate Kinks and Curls. Check it out. So please tell me you subscribed and hit the notification bell, right? Right.
Now this is something I should have used many years ago because everyone's been raving about this product for years, and now it's my turn. And I'll share a little something with you. This will be my first ever clay wash using Bentonite clay. Yes, this particular wash here is made with Bentonite clay. So the directions on this says to apply to wet hair. So I've already wet my hair. I haven't done anything else to it, just water. And it says massage into scalp and work through hair. Gently finger detangle or a wide tooth comb. Rinse well. Okay? So before I open it up, let me tell you this has There were no leaks in the packaging it came in. Let's take this off. I smell the chocolate already. This smells so good. This smells like chocolate cake, chocolate cookies, chocolate ice cream, cookies and cream, and when looking at it, it actually looks like it's cookies and cream. I don't have any chocolate here. I actually want some, so this will be a good thing today. It's nice and thick and creamy. Let's rub it on the hand. It removes dirt and toxins, and that's what I'm going for. I'm going for a detox wash. I'm going to just get everything out, clarify, and get my moisture at the same time. It says, but leaves hair so soft you can't be sure if you'll need a conditioner. So many people have used this and their hair has felt clarify, detox, scalp, and hair, and the hair is also left moisturize. So today I'm going to put this to the test. We're just using this, washing it out and moving on to styling. But I love this. Y'all, this actually seems good enough to eat. I mean, it's like, it reminds me of cookies and cream. It just does. Let's start right here. I like the consistency of it. It just smooths right on. It feels really good on the scalp. So we're just going to take this, part off my hair here and there, and my main thing is getting it on my scalp first. Then I'll smooth through my hair. And just to show y'all a little bit more, let's go ahead and smooth a little bit onto my hair itself so you see what that looks like. See what I mean? It smooths right on down the strands. No problem at all. There's plenty of oil in here to give it the slip it needs. And it's melting into my strands so much that I'm able to detangle. See those curls starting to pop? I highly suggest you get it. This will be a treat for your hair and your scalp. So I'll go ahead and leave the information for Chocolate Kinks and Curls in the description box. Make sure you check it out. Follow them on Instagram, Facebook, wherever they're at you want to be following so you don't miss sales, and what's happening in the world of chocolate kinks and curls. There's no issues whatsoever. It was smooth, soft, left my hair obviously clean, curls popping. Most importantly, pH balance, because you need to have your stuff right? I am loving this cocoa creme wash. I cannot begin to tell you how soft and moisturized my hair was with it in and with it out. While I was in, I ended up keeping it in for like 20-30 minutes, and I'm up here in the mirror like this, y'all, just feeling my hair was so soft, it felt soothing. And the smell, it just reminded me of thing that belongs in a spa somewhere. Seriously. Like, I felt like I was just giving myself a decadent treatment. So, I have now detoxed my hair, clarified. I have a clean scalp when I washed it out. I saw some of the impurities washing on out as well, which I knew what was already in my hair. And what this does say on the package, it says, with very little effort, the Cocoa Creme Clay Wash smooths onto your hair, eliminating product buildup and effects of the environment, leaving you with pH balanced, clean and shiny tresses. Which every single word of this is 100% correct. The scent is light and sweet at the same time. I can tell you one thing I know for sure. This will not be my last order from Chocolate Kinks and Kurls for this particular cocoa creme wash. This stuff is the truth. You don't have to take just my word for it. There's many reviews already out there on this product alone. So I'm going to go in and do the rest of my styling. That will be in another video. I'll be using a new product for that. So if you did not listen to me earlier, make sure you're listening to me now. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss what comes next. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments if you've already tried this particular product, or if you're interested in trying it. Make sure you click the link that I'm going to leave in the description box. And, you know, share this with someone who's interested in trying bentonite clay but haven't actually tried it yet. Let them know you can get it mixed in a wonderful combination here and smell like chocolate at the same time. So I'll talk to you later, roses. Bye.